In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NotebookLM not loading or stuck on blank page. If the page never finishes loading or you're staring at a blank screen, it usually comes down to the browser, an extension, or your account. We'll start with the quickest fixes, then move through a full checklist to get everything working smoothly. Begin with the fastest move. Do a hard refresh. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus R to force the browser to reload NotebookLM and bypass stale files. If that doesn't help, open NotebookLM in an incognito window. Incognito disables most extensions and ignores a lot of cached data, and this alone resolves most cases. If you still see a blank page, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or briefly test with mobile data. A slow or flaky connection can prevent the app from rendering, so verifying a solid link rules that out quickly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, which are common causes of broken loads. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select cached images and files and cookies, then click Clear Data. When that finishes, reload NotebookLM and see if the interface appears. Extensions are a major culprit, especially ad blockers and privacy tools that modify scripts. Test again in an incognito window to confirm if an extension is the issue, or turn extensions off one by one until NotebookLM loads normally. Once you find the problematic extension, leave it disabled while using NotebookLM. Double check your Google account. Make sure you're properly signed in and using a personal account. Some school or work accounts can restrict access through admin policies, which can silently block parts of the app. Try another browser next. Chrome is recommended, and Edge also works well. If NotebookLM loads in another browser, that points to a configuration problem in your main browser. If the page is still blank, turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Settings, Open System, and switch off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart the browser and test again. This can fix cases where the UI fails to render. It's also possible, though rare, that NotebookLM is temporarily down. Wait a few minutes and try again later. Another simple reset is to sign out of your Google account, sign back in, and reload NotebookLM. As a last resort, reset your browser settings to default. This clears problematic customizations that might block loading. Most blank pages come from a broken cache, conflicting extensions, a restricted Google account, occasional browser bugs, or a slow, unstable connection. Work through this list and you should be back in NotebookLM without the blank screen.